Today I am going to explain the topic is how to do the rate analysis for a window grill. During the construction time, the clients or the builders or engineers, they will call for the fabricator. The fabricator will come and take the measurements at the sites, and the fabricator will give you the quotation for the total number of windows and square feet rate. But usually here, most of the people, clients, they don't know how fabricator is quoted the square feet basis. Today onwards, we no need to be worried because you are going to be learn the rate analysis for the fabrication work of the window grills. The next time onwards, you will be calculated yourself and you can negotiate with the fabricator with very clearly, and you will get the best price with the fabricator. Now, in this fabrication, I'll take a small window grills. In this fabrication book, there is a 5 steps is involving, and in these five steps, data collecting. One is data collecting, and second one is market rate for the steel. So here, the step one, first we have to choose the design. So what type of design we are choosing? So here I am choosing all round the flat bar, and inside completely 10 by 10 mm by 10 mm bright steel rods I considered. Frozen my design. My second step is we have to be calculate the complete quantities of steels, and my third step is we have to check the total number of in terms of kgs our using the steel, and the fourth step is what's the rate the market, and fifth step is the total amount divided by the total area, then we will get the square feet basis. I will explain step by step with clearly. So my first step is my design is frozen. This is a 20 mm by 5 mm flat bar all round. This is completely fixing with the windows. Wooden windows are directly fixing with the walls. So for that I am using the flat bars, and remaining completely I am using 10 mm by 10 mm bright rods. So my length is around 4 feet by height is 4 feet. So 4 feet means per 1 feet is equals to 12 inches. So 4 feet into 4 into 12, 48 inches, and this is also 48 inches. Now I will explain step by step. See, here is the serial number, description, and numbers, length, total length in inches, and we have to conversion in the meters, and total number of meters, and this is how many kgs per meter, and weight in kgs, and the rate in the market, and the total amount. This was the table I made it. 20 by 5 mm flat bars, 4 numbers I taken. 1 number, here is 2 number, 3 number, 4 numbers. So 48 inches by 4 numbers. So 4 numbers into 48 inches. Don't forget this completely, now it is in inches factor. If you want to see is equals to A into B. Formula is given here. So C is equals to A into B. Now this is 192 inches. Now I have to be convert into the meters. 1 inch is equals to 2.54 centimeter. 1 inch is equals to 2.54 centimeter divided by per meter total 100 centimeters. So 192 into 2.54 divided by 100, that is equals to 4.88 meter it came. So 4.88 meters is my flat bar. 0.62 kilos per meter. This is available in the internet or a data bank. So 1 meter 20 by 5 mm flat bar is equals to 0.62 kgs. So thus here I taken 0.62 per meter into 4.88 kgs. So that is equals to 3.01 kilos required for 20 by 5 mm flat bar. So rate is 66 rupees this will be varies. We have to be cross check in the market what exactly the rate. So when I am considering during the time, this is 66 rupees. So my total amount is 3.01 kgs into 66 rupees is equals to 198.89 rupees required to this flat bar. Same like that, 10 by 10 mm square rods. This is 48 inches. 8 numbers is required. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is completely 10 by 10 mm. 48 inches of length. 48 inches of length. 8 numbers is required. So 48 into 8 is equals to 384 inches. Same formula. If you conversion into the meters, 9.75 kgs, sorry, 9.75 meters required, and per meter is equals to 0.8 kgs per 10 mm. Okay, this is available in the internet. Okay, here we no need to be worried. And total kgs is 7.8 kgs is required. So I'll explain one more time. This is 10 mm by 10 mm rod. 8 numbers required. This 8 numbers we can get the red color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 number. 8 number and 48 inches. This is multiplied numbers into the inches. Total length of the in terms of inches came. This we have to convert into the meters. Now I will get the total number of meters, and we have to be calculate with the kgs in terms of meters. So total 7.8 kgs came. And second one and the last one, my design, the blue one, it is left. The blue one is 18 inches. The measurement is mentioned here, 18 inches by 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 into 4, 16 numbers required. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 16 numbers is required into, say, total 16 numbers into 18 inches, that is equals to 288 inches. So if we convert into the meters, same 7.32 total meters per meter, 0.8 kgs. So total 5.85 kgs required for the blue one. And the total now, this is 10 mm and here also 10 mm, and this is separated 20 by 5 mm. This is a flat bar. So now I calculated total for a 10 mm bright rod only. It is 13.66 kgs. For bright rod 71.18 kgs. This is including the tax. So kilos into multiply the rate. So I got the total amount. Now the flat bar and the square bar total 1170 rupees is required to purchase the material. Okay, you please and understand carefully. This is only purchase of materials. So like this, I have a 4 number of windows. So same 4 numbers I taken, and my 4 numbers, 4 into each one 1170. So 4 into 1170 is equals to 4683 rupees required for the materials for purchase 4 windows of 4 feet by 4 feet or 448 inches by 48 inches. For this material, transportation 250 rupees I consider it is nominal amount. You can, this amount is various to place by place. This you have to be collect from the local supplier. And for this welding rods, this is approximately lump sum amount I consider. The welding rods is 500 rupees. And paint work, windows paint, primer, paint or labor completely for 4 windows 300 rupees I consider. So subtotal is 5733 rupees for the materials for the window grills, and the labor cost is per square feet they are going to be charged on 60 rupees basis per square feet. Per square feet or per kilo basis also 66 rupees. Here is total kgs into 4 numbers. Total 66.66 kgs. Per kg 60 rupees. My total 60 into 66.66 kilos, 3,999, say 4,000 rupees. My fabricator will charge to make 4 number of windows or 66 kgs of steel to make the window grills. So my labor cost is 4,000 rupees and my material cost is 5,733 rupees. The total amount is 9,733 rupees. Now this is the total amount required for the windows to make 4 number of windows 4 feet by 4 feet size. Now my total area is 64 square feet because of 4 feet height and 4 feet length and 4 feet 4 numbers. Totally 64 square feet. The total amount divided by the area. Total amount divided by area divide 152 rupees is the square feet cost. Say 150 we can exactly the rate. Neatly negotiate with the fabricator and we can get the best rate. So this is the rate analysis part. You can also calculate directly and we can estimate and calculate. If you like this video, please comment and share. Thank you for watching.